Okay, so in the last lesson, we were just studying that the devices were being stored in this. Um, yeah, it was storing devices into the structure, in this vector, and all the devices themselves. And then we were just enumerating them and storing the devices into the vector. And after that, we were just going through all the devices in the vector, and we were looking for the suitable device, that like which one device is suitable. We will implement this function later, but for now we can't run this program because it will just give us an error. So we were just assigning this current physical device to the physical device handle that is over here. We will just handling this, assigning this to that handle device, and then we can just like add the break to it. And this was left from the last lesson, and we have to add a basic error check, that is if physical device is equal to vk null handle. In that case, throw std runtime error, and it will just give us like failed to find the suitable device. Now here's a problem. Well, if there is physical device, then how it can be unsuitable? Well, the thing is, if we need a feature and it doesn't, or I would say if we need a compulsory feature and that is not available and that is not provided by the GPU, it means the GPU is available, but it is not suitable. I think it makes sense, right? So in that case, we'll just say we cannot handle if no handle is assigned to this handle. It means if no device is assigned to that handle, it means that the devices are suitable, right? So once this is implemented, now we can call this function into here. Yep. After this, engine pick physical device, and here we are. Okay, now we have to create another structure, and we'll just go over here and to the header files, do right click, and taking so much time. Yeah, add and new item, and we'll name it as Queuefamily indices. It takes too much time. I don't know why it takes so much time. Well, come on, man. Well, Queuefamily. The heck is going on, man? Come on. It takes so much time. I don't know why, but it does. Queuefamily indices. What the heck is going on, man? Queuefamily indices dot h. Okay, we have the setup file now. Make sure you have pragma once in here. Pragma once. After this, we'll create structure and we'll name it as Q family indices. Once we are done with this, then we'll have to use yeah, hash include iostream uh iostream hash include and optional. Yeah, there we go. And I think that we are good. I'll now create std optional of graphics family, and then I'll create a function that is sorry, bool is complete, and then I'll pass here like a return um, graphics family dot has underscore value. Now, what happens actually is that this function will return this graphics value, this has value, or this value of this graphics family when this this will become true. Whenever this will be true, like whenever this will have value, only in that case it will return value. Otherwise, it will never return value if it doesn't have value. I think I'm confusing you well. This function will return value only and only if this this number has value. If this has value, then the value will be returned. Otherwise, it won't be returned. So this is the whole logic. Then come over here, and here we have done this. Okay, so in the next lesson, we'll create another function. So we are done.